If you wonder about the rear headrests, so this is the rear seats. Headrest is flipped, and we can see inside this small cover goes like this. You can detach it, and you can see the solenoid. Sometimes it goes bad. This is the you know, the button of on the front of the car that should just release it to flip the headrest. This is the hinge of the headrest, which locks. That metal part locks when you put back the headrest upright position. Sometimes I think it gets stuck in there, but the thing is that I really don't know how to access this. I did rip it off at the junkyard. It kind of looks like it has a zip here, but I don't know where it starts actually. So it doesn't start there, so perhaps you'll have to cut a little bit, and if you cut this piece here, you still won't have access because there's like a steel rod. So basically you need to cut the upper trim here, I guess, the leather. So that's how that lock sits in there. Solenoid seems to have kind of metal clips on it. Not sure how it's secured in there. It's really not obvious how to access that place.